Okay, so dito, you have to identify the correct verb. Verb yung hinahanap, ha? Now, alin dyan? Okay? So, anong gagawin? Identify the subject first. Sino ang subject sa pangungusap?
Boy.
Boy.
Very good. Boy
Boy.
is your
Subject.
subject. So, siya ay, ano, singular or plural?
Singular.
Star.
Siya ay
Singular.
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 Very good. Siya ay singular. So, ngayon, anong susunod na step?
Eliminate.
Elimination.
Elimination.
I-eliminate.
Yung mga plural.
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 Mga, not, ano, sa mga
What
ano
letter are we going to eliminate?
Letter D.
Letter A.
With
First
S
is letter
mark,
A,
singular.
B, tsaka
Ay.
C.
A,
ABC.
B,
and
ABC.
B.
B.
Okay. Bakit nyo ano si would? Si would ay past tense. Di ba pag past tense, parehas, pwede siya maging positive and, pwede siya maging singular or plural. Okay, so hindi nyo yan
Okay.
tatanggalin. So ngayon, dalawa na lang yung pinag-uusapan. Now, what is the next step?
Time frame.
time
Very
frame.
good. May time frame ba sa pangungusap?
No.
Wala
No.
po.
Wala.
Wala po.
Wala.
Walang time frame.
Wala.
So, paano
Wala
pag
po.
walang time frame? Okay, makinig, ha? Listen. Now, pag walang time frame sa pangungusap, and you need to choose between past and present, kagaya nito, si would ay past, si does ay present. Okay? So, ngayon, always remember that if there is no time frame, you will consider the sentence
As
present.
present.
Okay?
po.
Itatrato nyo siya as present tense. Do you get my point?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Okay, again, remember that if the sentence doesn't have a time frame, ang pipiliin ninyo lagi ay present tense. So, therefore, ano ang tamang sagot?
Does.
Does.
Automatic would will be eliminated. And the correct answer is
Does.
does. Kasi walang